Kamusta ka, Proud? Today's video episode series ay tatalakayin natin ang patuloy na pagsikat ng Filipino food, hindi lamang sa Pilipinas kundi sa buong mundo. Sa video na ito, uunahin nating pag-usapan ang ultimate pulutan na masarap ding ulam, ang sisig.
Pinoy Sisig!
Yan po ang winning entry ng isang Pinoy chef sa isang cooking show sa New York City.
Well, certainly not statistically, but I mean, I think it's the most likely to convince people abroad who have had no exposure to Filipino food to maybe look further and investigate further beyond sisig. I think that's the one that's going to hook them.
Filipino cuisine itself is not fusion, but it is a melting pot of cultures. I mean, you have the indigenous people, you had the Spanish that conquered later on, there's Islamic influence, there's Southeast Asian influences. And I like the notion of this rich cuisine with all of its component and constituent ingredients.
Donovan had such an amazing appetizer, maybe the best dish of the entire competition.
I'd love to incorporate my heritage, the Filipino cooking and food. And
This is the Deadpool chimichanga truck, and it says, please, one chimichanga per guest. I disagree with that. I think they can have as many as they damn well please.
Look for a food truck. Now, I hear these guys are doing a cross between Filipino and Latin American cuisine. You never know where they're going to be, so you got to check them out on their website. And I found them. This is Senior Sisig.
What's up ka proud? Today's video episode pag-uusapan naman natin ang ultimate Filipino comfort food na hindi lang pangpulutan. Bida na din sa handaan at masarap na ulam sa kainan. Pero ngayon hindi na lamang panlasang Filipino ang nahuhumaling sa ating paboritong sisig. Bida na din ito sa ibang bansa at maging sa mga cooking show competitions. Bago tayo magpatuloy, maraming salamat sa iyong pag-subscribe sa ating channel para updated ka sa ating mga ka-proud Filipino video moments.
I like sisig very, very much. That's perfect beer drinking food. Love it.
There's a lot of sisig restaurants here, but here's one is the best.
This is really, really good.
Isa nga sa Filipino food na talaga namang tumatak sa panlasa ng yumaong American celebrity chef na si Anthony Bourdain ay ang sisig. Isa ito sa mga feature food sa kanyang Parts Unknown documentary series noong nagpunta ito sa Pilipinas.
Pretty, advanced team. I think sisig is perfectly positioned to win the hearts and minds of the world as a whole.
About sisig. Hot, sizzling pig face with a runny egg on top, and bitch, you better act somebody because nothing is getting in between me and this spicy, chewy, fatty goodness.
At marami pang ang mga cooking o food show segments ang nag-feature sa ating ultimate comfort food na sisig. Panuurin natin ang ilan sa mga reaksyon ng mga banyaga ng kanilang matikman ang sisig mga ka-proud.
Wow. Remarkably complex. There's a lot of lime in there because even though you're talking about a lot of pork fat in several forms, that lime just cuts it. There's some spice from the jalapeno. The crunch from the chicharron really just adds to the flavor experience.
How is it?
It's so good. It's so flavorful. And you can taste like that sourness that Nicole was speaking of as well. And it's still sizzling hot because it just came out of the pan.
so delicious. To use it as a platform to give our country, some identity, which is fantastic.
Kamakailan nga ay ibinida din ng ating kababayang chef ang sisig sa Food Network Cooking Competition at Chopped. At ano pa nga ba edi panalo ang sisig at ang ating kabayan.
Donovan had such an amazing appetizer, maybe the best dish of the entire competition.
Konting kaalaman. Alam mo ba ang pinagmulan ng ating paboritong sisig?
Then came Aling Lusing, a Filipino barbecue owner from Pampanga.
Nung minsan daw siyang nag-iihaw, nasunog ang iniihaw niyang tenga ng baboy. Para hindi to masayang, tinadtad niya ito at tinimplahan na lang ng sukang tubo, toyo, sibuyas, paminta at sili.
Ikaw ka-proud, anong favorite sisig version mo at talagang hindi ka mapipigilang mag-mukbang kapag nakahain na?
Good?
Yeah?
Very good.
Wow.
don't know what they are, but they taste amazing.
Di ba? Napaka-crunchy pa nung skin, ano? You heard that?
Isa sa mga dahilan nagpagsikat ng sisig sa Amerika ay ang food truck na Senior Sisig. Si Deadpool lang naman ang bumibisita sa kanilang food truck, mga ka-proud.
And it says, please, 1 chimichanga per guest. I disagree with that. I think they can have as many as they damn well please.
Look for a food truck. Now, I hear these guys are doing a cross between Filipino and Latin American cuisine. You never know where they're going to be, so you got to check them out on their website. And I found them. This is Senior Sisig.
Wow. That pork has got so much flavor. Salty, spicy goodness.
Yeah.
I've had a lot of $4 tacos, not one with that much meat in it.
This is something that people could talk about. It gets the word of mouth going. You know, yeah, Senior Sisig, they're a great food truck, but also they have these hidden menu items. So it makes them feel good, makes us feel good to give them something special as well.
Mula sa humble beginnings ay sobrang pamoso na nga ang Senior Sisig, mga ka-proud.
My name's Evan Kidera, and I'm the general manager of Senior Sisig.
My name is Gil Payumo. I'm the chef of Senior Sisig.
Senior Sisig has found its first ever brick-and-mortar home after 10 years of serving out of food truck.
Hindi naman nawawala ang pusong Pinoy maging sa ibang bansa. Noong ngang nakaraang pandemya ay ipinaramdam ng Senior Sisig ang pusong Pinoy sa pamamahagi ng sisig sa mga nangangailangan ng pantawid sa gutom. Mabuhay po kayo, Senior Sisig.
Basis. By providing these meals, we are able to give our employees work and feed those in need at the same time. It's a win-win.
At mula nga noong December 2003 ay taon-taon nang pinagdiriwang ang Sisig Festival kung saan nagsimula ang sisig sa Angeles, Pampanga. Ibinibida dito ang iba't ibang putahe ng sisig at paggalingan sa pagluto ng ating ultimate favorite. Hindi na nga lamang sa Pilipinas may Sisig Festival dahil nito lamang 2021 ay pinagdiwang ang kauna-unahang Sisig Festival sa Estados Unidos sa pangunguna ng ating mga proud kababayan.
Mas pinasarap at pinaraming meaty pork chunks at may crunchy chicharon pa.
Tunay ngang nakaatuwa na makita ang patuloy na pagsikat at pagkakaroon ng identity ng ating mga Filipino food pagdating sa ibang bansa. Salamat sa ating mga kababayan na buong pusong pinalalaganap at ibinabahagi ang ating napakayamang kultura lalo na pagdating sa kusina.
Tagumpay naman sa pagpapa-impress si Denevin. Ang kanyang sisig dish tinawag na best dish na naluto sa show, sabi ng mga judge.
Anong Filipino food ba ang hindi pa napapansin at sa tingin mo ay dapat mabigyan ng pagkakataon at ipatikim sa mga banyaga at makilala na din ito katulad ng adobo, sinigang at sisig? Comment at pag-usapan natin yang mga ka-proud.
It's exactly what you need after a few beers, and that's a perfect food.
Maraming salamat sa panunood. Like mo na din para masaya tayong lahat ka-proud. Kita-kita uli tayo sa susunod na video episode ng Proud Filipino Moments. Hanggang sa muli.